How to delete comment history on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the For You page. Now head towards the profile. After you land to your profile page, at the top right corner you can find three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now go to the option Settings and Privacy. Over here you will find different sections. Scroll down. Under Content and Display, you can find the option of Comment and Watch History. Open this option. Now go to this option of comment history. Over here, you're gonna find all of your comments. There's no such option to delete all the comment history at once, but what you can do is delete manually. Open each of the comment and delete it. Tap on the post. With that, you will be able to find your comment at the very top. Now what you have to do is long press on it. Tap on the option delete. Deleted. Likewise, you can head back and again hit towards the another post. Go to the comment section. At the very top, you will be able to find your comment, long press on it, and then tap on the option of delete. You can apply the same process and delete all the comments that you have made in your TikTok account. So right now, this is the way to delete comment history on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.